Customers are finding this thatch rake a reliable tool for keeping their lawns healthy. Shelley calls it perfect and says it worked even better than expected. Albert says it pulled up a lot of dead thatch easily, though tightening the screws is smoother with an extra hand. Dave Evers highlights how it makes clearing dead grass and clippings simple, helping lawns breathe better, while Sarah uses it to remove pet damage spots and loosen soil for reseeding. Cat Mom praises the sturdy build and quality, and Britt calls it a cost-efficient way to maintain a yard without needing power tools. Some reviewers noted minor drawbacks, like the handle not always staying connected or wishing it was longer, but overall, customers agree it's easy to assemble, effective at removing thatch, and a great value for lawn care. For anyone looking to refresh their yard, this rake is proving to be a dependable, budget-friendly choice.